Sinking driveway, settling patio, collapsing stoop, uneven pool deck. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
This is the afternoon edition of the Daily Weather Briefing video. This is for Tuesday, August the 23rd. I'm James Spann. A number of showers and thunderstorms in progress across Alabama today as this unsettled pattern continues. But again, we're seeing evidence we're trending toward fewer showers and more sunshine late this week and over the upcoming weekend. And the tropics are trying to heat up, but again, things are still pretty quiet. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country today. And like recent days, we have broad troughing in place across the eastern and southern states. Check the visible satellite view. And again, you can see we've got mostly cloudy conditions across Alabama today. Hard to find much sun at all. And the radar composite, doing this update live at 2:39. Pretty good bit of rain in progress across the state. We'll check the Birmingham radar. You can see a number of showers developing, and these are mostly just rain showers, not seeing much in the way of thunder and lightning. And those will continue to develop over the next several hours across Alabama. We'll check some of the other parts of the state. Let's go up to Huntsville. Pretty quiet up in the Tennessee Valley. The air is a little drier here. The Shoals, Huntsville, Scottsboro, Athens, Decatur. So things are quiet there. Let's go down to Mobile. And again, you can see a pretty good bit of rain in progress over the southern part of the state. Just not much sun at all. And some of the most widespread rain is pushing into parts of West Alabama, places like York, Livingston, Demopolis, Butler, at U.S. Highway 43 corridor. And obviously the chance of showers will stay fairly high. And understand it's not raining everywhere. A lot of times summer rain can be frustrating for people in that they need the rain and they see a lot of it out there, but they don't get it. There's no force field or a special feature that's keeping you from being wet. It's typically a matter of luck in the summertime around here. Rain distribution is always very uneven. But the good thing for everybody, the heat levels are not that bad. We'll take that. Tuscaloosa, 76. I mean, we can easily do triple digits on the 23rd of August. Birmingham at 81, 83 for Anniston and Gadsden, and all across the region. It's really hard to find anybody at 90. Tallahassee managing 90, but for all of the reporting stations in Alabama on that board, you can see temperatures are in the 80s. West of the state, there is a flash flood watch for parts of central and western Mississippi, extending back into Louisiana and southeastern Texas. Otherwise, pretty quiet across the country today. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. We've got three small pockets where marginal risks are in place in various corners of the country. No severe weather expected here. This is tomorrow, Wednesday. No organized severe weather expected. And Thursday, pretty much the same situation. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. A lot down here. And again, a lot of this will be today, tonight, and tomorrow. Parts of Mississippi could see between 3 and 5 inches of rain. For most of Alabama, the amounts 1 to 3 inches. The lighter amounts up over the Tennessee Valley. And again, this is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. And we do expect a trend toward fewer showers and increasing amounts of sunshine later in the week and over the weekend. So in the tropics, we have 3 X's on the board, and none of these will develop over the next 48 hours. The chance of development for each one, 0. In the middle one out there in the central Atlantic, we can pretty much take that thing off the board. It's basically dissipated. So the 2 that are currently on the board is one that is currently over the African continent and one that will be approaching the Windward Islands. We'll take a look at the 5-day outlook from the National Hurricane Center, and for both of those, just a low chance, a 20% chance of development. For the one wave that'll be coming out into the Caribbean and the wave coming off the coast of Africa. Let's check the probabilistic outlook from the European Global Model, and this gives you a pretty good idea of what to expect here. First off, that wave coming into the Caribbean, the European not bullish at all on that. Now, it's only got a 10 to 20% chance of any development, and this is the chance of it becoming a tropical depression, not a storm, but a depression. And again, so not a lot of concern there. The higher probabilities are clearly with that wave that'll be coming off the coast of Africa, and you can see that those numbers ramp up to 60 to 70%. So that could be a player, so we'll keep an eye on that. But needless to say, it is a long way out there, and there are no systems anywhere near the United States at this point. Despite what you see all over Facebook. I mean, you get some of these guys that post this just wild deterministic output that's absolute nonsense, and people share it and share it and share it. But speaking of deterministic data, let's take a look at it. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4 local time. And again, we've got broad troughing in place here. And really, I don't think the weather's going to be that much different tomorrow. A lot of clouds, number of showers and storms around, scattered to numerous showers and storms. Not raining all day, not necessarily raining everywhere. Highs low 80s. Again, very similar to today. Thursday, evidence will start to trend drier. And again, there'll be showers around Thursday. Scattered showers and storms, highs back in the middle 80s. And then Friday, partly sunny. There could be a pop-up storm in the afternoon somewhere, but probably not that many. The high Friday in the upper 80s. I think a lot of the high school stadiums dry Friday evening, Friday night for the football games. Not all of them, but many of them. And the weekend for now looks pretty quiet. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. We'll mention widely scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms both days, but pretty decent chunk of the weekend dry with highs in the upper 80s, and some spots may be touching 90. Monday of next week looks pretty classic summertime there, and this is a week from today, Tuesday, August 30th. Again, we've got ridging in place, but not all that strong. And again, classic summer weather. Highs around 90, maybe upper 80s. A few scattered showers and storms, most active during the afternoon and evening hours. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday, September 2nd, Friday of next week. And ooh, yeah, this is what you're going to see all over the face bag and the tweeter and the gram. And again, the GFS showing a significant tropical system in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico. But long-time observers know the bias of this global model toward doing this, and these are systems that never, ever show. So, again, this is the GFS next Friday. Let me show the European. Nothing. Now, this one will never, ever, ever be shared. But the one that's going to be shared is this one. Ooh, look at this. You know, like it, click it, share it. Please subscribe. And guys, do us all a favor and just don't share that stuff. I show it here because you understand the limitations, people that take the time to watch these videos. And you're going to see this in the GFS over and over. And sure, there could be something down there, but again, there's no skill in identifying a tropical system 10 days in advance. And again, this is the European global model showing absolutely nothing. So if you got a beach trip, just don't get hung up in these scare deals. We will let you know. And again, what you want to do is look at the probabilistic output coming off the ensembles. That's where it's at here. Ensemble data, probabilistic. And again, this is the output valid through Friday of next week. And again, you can see at this point the European ensemble data, probabilistic data, showing only a 10 to 20% chance of anything forming in the Caribbean at that time. Could this change? Absolutely. And again, the higher probabilities with that wave coming off the coast of Africa, and that could be the one to watch out there. So this is rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble. The mean is the green line, between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 8th of September. National blend of models. Temperatures trending up with upper 80s by the weekend and early next week, but still pretty amazing. The NBM keeps us under 90 all the way through the 2nd of September, Friday of next week. And hot off the presses. Got the new CPC outlook. This is the 8 to 14-day outlook. This is for August 31st through September 6th. And we're starting to see maybe a little pattern flip here with temperatures maybe a little above average. And we all know it can be hot as blue blazes around here in September in Alabama. So one more time, we'll check the radar. And again, you can see just good old summer showers around. Some of the most widespread rain is over here on the western side of the state. Lamar, Pickens, Tuscaloosa, Greene, Hale, Sumter, Choctaw counties. Just widespread rain. A little bit of thunder, but not much. And heavier showers elsewhere through parts of central Alabama. And again, Tennessee Valley is pretty quiet up here if you're in, again, north of the Tennessee River. But anybody could see a shower over the next several hours in this soupy, muggy air mass that covers Alabama. So that is it for the afternoon edition of the Daily Weather Briefing video. If you're new here, we do these twice a day. In the morning about 5:30, in the afternoon about 2:30. We always have notes over on the blog, alabamaw.com. Don't forget we have a book signing at the Coffee Bean in Ashland Saturday morning. I'd love to see you there. Come see us. And if you can, join us this evening on ABC 340 News at 4. Watching. Have a great. God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.